Hello, this is how to make a ramp slow-mo in Sony Vegas. Okay, first you're going to want to open up Sony Vegas Pro 8. I'm pretty sure it works in 7 and 9, but I'm going to use 8 today. Right now this is my clip. Just a kickflip. So now what we're going to do, the first thing you got to do, this is very important, you have to right click on the audio, right click right there, and click properties right at the bottom, and right where it says method, click classic and lock to stretch. Click OK. Now you're ready to begin your ramp slow-mo. Alright, right now you're going to click this little plus button right here 13 times. Not this one, this one. The one that says zoom in time. So click on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it should look like this right now. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to bring it over to wherever you first pop or throw something or whatever you want to ramp. Find exactly where you need to be, and you can do that like precisely by doing the right arrow key or the left arrow key. So I'm clicking the right arrow key and I popped right there. So you're gonna want to have this on, and you're gonna want to have it right on it, and then click S. So click S, and see how there's a little kind of like a groove that goes down right there? Yeah, so you're gonna want that. Then you click over 1, 2, and click S again. S, 1, 2, S, 1, 2, S, 1, 2, S, 1, 2, S. So you're going to want about 6 to 8 clips, like cut clips. So I'm going to do one more, 7. That's right when I land on the board. So S. So now I have these. Now I'm going to want to, wait, sorry. I'm going to want to move this, move it out a little bit, and then go back to your clip. Now this part's very important too. I'm going to set this on the real quick. Alright, I'll zoom in just so you can see it. Alright, whatever, I'll just have it right here. Alright, this next part, what you're going to want to do is click, see how it's just an arrow right there? What you're going to want to do is, just 1 second, I got to move my keyboard. Alright, right here, and then right where it's on that arrow, hold down Control. So you see that little squiggly thing that's popping up? Okay, click Control, hold it down, so there's a little squiggly thing under the under the arrow. And then you're going to want to bring it over, let's see, probably one time. Bring that over. You can do it more for a more ramped effect, but you could, just for this, I'm just gonna do 1. I'm gonna do 2 right here. Move it over twice, and then bring that over to the other clip. You're gonna do this one 1, 2, 3 times. Move that over to the other clips. And right when you get into the middle about, do it another 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. And then start going down. 1, 2. And for this one, like the first one, only do 1. So now, you've pretty much got your ramp slow-mo right now. Just move it over to where the rest of your clip is, so it's not like a big black spot. Move it over. Now you can click the little minus 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can do it a little less so you can actually see the videos and stuff. So I'm going to do it a little bit less so you can actually see that it's getting bigger and then smaller. See that? It's got that kind of ramped effect. So it's got, let me check something real quick. See how these two in the middle are the same? These two kind of aren't. So you're going to want to bring the last clip over. And now you have your ramped slow-mo. You're going to bring this over, and let's see the final results. Ramped slow-mo. Again, you don't have to do it. You can do it a little bit more ramped, so it's a little bit slower. Like, instead of doing it once on the last one, you could do it 2, then 3, then 4, and then another 4, then 3, and then 2. You could do that. Here, I'm going to test that to see which one looks better. Okay. Do that. Control over one more time. Bring that over. Control over another one more time. Control over one more time. And you want to make sure you're holding down control, or this will not work. Let's see which one looks better. Now, bring them over. And it would be a good thing if you had the clips over from the other 2 clips, the pop and the landing, so you actually have some space to do it. Alright, let's look at that. So, whichever one looks better for you guys, you can do it whichever way you want. It's not up to me. So now, this is where a lot of people have problems. They just go to, a lot of people, they'll just go to File and click Save As. They can't do that, or it won't be able to go on YouTube. It'll be a VEG file, which won't work. You gotta go to Render As, and you'll get this box. I recommend doing it to the desktop so you know where it is and you don't have to look through your documents a while. So then you name your thing. RAM. Slow-mo. There, ramp slow-mo. And it'll be in WMV probably. And sometimes it'll like screw up and only save for like 1 second. That means that you pretty much screwed up. What I do, it usually works, it works for me. Click on WMA, wait for 10 seconds, 10 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi. Then change it back to WMB, rampslomo.wmb, and then save it. See how it's taking a little bit longer than just 1 second, and it's actually like loading through the clip? That means it worked. If it didn't do that and it just went boop and did like automatically 100%, that means you totally screwed up and you didn't do the 10-second thing like I told you to. Now, you can close it and upload your video to YouTube. Alright, peace. Bye.